Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add to your favorite a task in your Click apps. Maybe you want your task to add to your favorite so that you know what to prioritize. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add your task to your favorite on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your ClickUp applications. Once you are in here, you'll be directed into your page. As you can see here below, the home button icon, notification icon, search icon, and then the dotted icons. For this tutorial, you need to tap on the tasks you want to favorite. For example, here's a task. If you want this to your favorite, tap on it, and you'll be directed into the overview of your task. And then in here, to add this into your favorite, simply tap on this three-dot icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And there will be a pop-up options that you can choose. And as you can see in here, here's the Add to Favorite button. To add this task to your favorite button, simply tap on this Add to Favorites. And there you go. This task is already added to your favorite. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add your task in your favorite on Click Apps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add the task to your favorite on Click Apps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.